Installation of an outdoor access point brand Juniper. Let's see. We're gonna mount the support base on the back of these 4 holes, which is this. You gotta remove those 2 screws plate. Because this is for, so you guys can see, this is for a pole mount, but here we are not going to be mounting on a pole, we're going to be mounting on a wall. So we'll remove this. Now that we have removed, so you guys can see, we're going to mount like honest. See? Here are a bunch of screws. So once you mount this bracket on it, you're gonna mount these together just like it, and this is gonna go up there with the second part of the bracket. We don't tighten the screws all the way until we have all 4 in place. So once we have all 4, we can tighten them all. Otherwise, you can move it and one of the holes is not gonna really screw it on it. So last one. Now we can tighten them all. Second bolt goes right here. This is to move it up and down or sideways. So if you want to bring it up or down, I guess there's some sort of adjustments. You know, it's kind of neat. We need something to tie those up. I need a pair of these, which are gonna look deep into my stuff. I'm gonna hold it. Tie it. Next one, it's gonna be a little bit tough, but now it's tight. You can use this. This was too much. Let's see, still too much. Check it out. Too much. This was too much power. Let's start from scratch. Let's try there. Much better. That should be okay for now. That's where it's gonna go. You gotta go up there, put it up with the second part of the bracket together. So we have this. It's loose now. We have to tie that up and then we can aim it. Let's do that. Alright, now it's up. We gotta be sure that it's very tight, very well. Cause this thing is super heavy. Solid metal and heavy, so if it's not tight, it's gonna slide down or come down. So we gotta be sure. So they gotta cover that parking lot to see those cars. Signal where they scan the cars with the mobile devices for the cars. So it's a Juniper brand. Juniper Mist AP. Okay, now that is secure. We gotta do the termination, the RJ45, along with the weatherproof seal. So as you can see, it has two, because we can connect a second device. The first one, this one is the PoE in. That's where the one that we're gonna be using, PoE in. As any outside device, it has to be connected to the ground. As you can see, this screw here, where it's gonna connect the ground wire to anything on the back of this metal part that is connected to the, tied to the metal thing, so it can be grounded. You can see that it's grounded all the way there. Now we're gonna do the connector. Now we gotta proceed to do the weatherproof thing on the connector. Alright, now we're gonna do the J45 weatherproof. So we're gonna start first part.
Any luck?
Oh yeah, it's coming along.
Huh?
It's coming along.
I'll be right back.
Cool. Now, this is a rubber band that is gonna seal when we tight it up. Just slide in there, as you can see it. That's part of it. And don't worry about if you forget these things. These things, they come cut, so you can see it. You can just put it back inside. See, like example, just right there. Boom. So not to worry about this plastic. So we're gonna slide this there. We got the three parts together. Now we're gonna start with the RJ45. That have one ready. Same thing. Remember, as we show you in the previous videos, the coloring code. If you remember, you can just Google up RJ45 and you'll find the coloring code. We're using normal beam. That's what we're using. So, which is white orange, and white green, stretch them out so it can be straight. Then solid blue and blue white. Now green, brown pair, the last one. So it'll be white, brown, and brown. You guys can see that. Okay. I'll show you once I got the connector inside. You gotta double check before we crimp it on it. Always check. Slide it on. So you can see white orange, white green, solid blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. So it looks good. Now we're gonna crimp it. Here the clip. That's ready. Crimp it. Good. clean connector. Now is the time. Let's put it back together. So you slide it, as you can see right there. Okay. Got this one. We find the hole. Okay, start to screw it on.